Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily insert an email from Gmail into an Outlook email. To begin, click and open your Gmail account. Click on the email itself to open. Click on the three dots next to it and click Download Message. Next step, open your Outlook. Open the email in which you want to insert the Gmail email. Type the email address, subject, etc. Subject. As a next step, you want to click Insert and Object, Create from File, Browse, locate the file, and click Insert. Click OK, and the email will be automatically inserted into your Outlook email. Once you click Send, it will be sent within this email. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.